Let's talk about the unspoken in a massage. Now, there's nothing worse than having a bad experience for the entire treatment. The number one takeaway from this is speak up. Make sure you speak up, because that will determine whether you have a bad experience or a good experience. Number one is pressure. There's nothing worse than feeling like you're getting tickled with a feather, or someone getting Thor's hammer and grinding through your whole body. So making sure that you ask to dial it up or tone it down. There are some spots that really just need to get grinded away. So sometimes you just got to suck it up. Finding the right spot. Most therapists will feel where to go and where the knots are and where the trigger points are. But if they're missing the spot and they're not going back to it, say something. At Recenter, we're pet friendly. This is Hendrix, our head of security. Now, if you're allergic to dogs or if you're scared of dogs, please say something. We can tuck these guys away. I'm pretty sure he won't bite. Right, Hendrix? Talking points. If your therapist talks too much, like me, sometimes you just want to tune out. You can just tell him to zip it. If you have an event or a wedding and you want to wear a backless dress, but don't want to have the red marks on your back, just make sure you ask your therapist not to do some cupping, because they can leave some nasty marks on your back. If the music is ringing in your ears, or it's too hardcore, if the beats per minute is too much for you during treatment, all you want to do is relax and lie down and enjoy the music to calm down your nervous system. Tell the DJ to change the tunes. Now, holding some gas is also another thing. If you need to release the valves to let some air out, tell your therapist, it's okay, we can leave the room, let you do your thing, but it's perfectly natural. Oils and creams. Now, if you feel like you're getting doused in oil, ready to get chucked in the oven, make sure you say something. We use Tubi Balms. It's a natural product from New Zealand, quite good for grip, nothing too messy, nothing too oily, especially the hairier people out there. There's nothing worse than feeling like all your hair is getting pulled. If you have somewhere to be after the massage where you don't want your hair to get affected, in case the therapist may, massage your neck or head and get some oil on your hair. Same thing with eyelashes or Botox. Make sure you say something just so that we can put you in the best position to make sure we don't affect your hair or your eyebrows. If you're in a position in the massage where your arm's starting to get numb or something is really uncomfortable, make sure to let the therapist know if you need to change positions. You don't want to just stay there and ignore the being uncomfortable. Same thing if your nose is clogged. Most time people, when they go face down, their sinus gets blocked. Lift your head up, ask for a tissue, ask to blow your nose. Don't be shy to blow your nose during the massage, because there's nothing worse than being congested and you can't breathe. You're breathing through your mouth. Your whole experience then gets uncomfortable and unpleasant. I see it as teamwork. Me and the client on the table, we work together to ensure that we get the outcomes that you're looking for. It's your rules. It's your treatment. Speak up. You'll be glad you did.